And that's the solution to Pydle Day 60. Welcome to Pydle Day 61. Pydle is a daily puzzle game you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is a kappa Greek letter, the Greek letter kappa. We've had a theme of Greek letters and other mathematical symbols. So have a go at solving today's Pydle. If you haven't played Pydle before, I always solve the day before's puzzle, and that was a Greek alpha character, but that is black on a white background. So depending on the color of the character, you need to use different techniques. So black is the default color of Pydle, so we only have to focus on the white pixels in this puzzle. So I'm going to do 2 loops for x in range. Now the symbol is symmetrical around the y-axis but not x. So I'm going to do Pydle coordinates, which goes from 0 to 4 for x, and for y I'm going to do Cartesian coordinates. So I start from -2 and stop at +2, and Pydle range argument you have to give 1 greater than the end. Okay, so we're going to need an if statement. So let's do these 4 pixels. Not quite at the corners, but the corners kind of that ellipse part of the symbol. So for that, we're going to say if x in 1, 4, that's column 1 and column 4, and y, so we're going to say absolute value of y equals 2. You can see, could just as well have said and y in -2, 2, but this is just a little bit prettier. Okay, so that, then we need to do Pydle x 2 minus y. Remember, we need to convert back to Pydle coordinates, character and white. Let's just see. Yeah, those are the pixels, and now the rest is actually quite simple because it's just repeated these vertical bars. So we just need to extend that, say or x in. So now we're going to supply 0, 2, and 3. So those are the column numbers for x for the vertical bars, and absolute value of y is less than 2. Okay, let's see if that makes sense. So that row with Cartesian coordinates would be y equals 2, and this would be y equals -2. So we base the absolute value less than 2. Other ways of specifying that, but that will do. Okay, we don't have to use brackets because the operator precedence of and is higher than or, so the and gets executed before the or. So both those ands. Okay. Okay, and that solves the Pydle. Have a go at solving today's Pydle and come back tomorrow for the solution.